Have you ever thought of completing a task but ended up scrolling on the net? Why do you think this happens? Why don't you enjoy the work that you do? Why don't you enjoy studying for the test that's upcoming next week? These are some of the questions that we'll be answering in today's video. Hello everyone, myself Sarthak, and let's dive into the video. Firstly, it is completely natural to crave on your feelings because your brain is not designed to accept delayed gratification. Let me explain. If you were offered a cake or a broccoli, which one would you prefer? Most of you would prefer the cake. Why? Because it is instantly rewarding. It fills your cravings instantly. But although you know that eating broccoli will improve your health in long term, but you want your feelings to get completed instantly. Same things happens with your work. When you are scrolling down the net or social media, your brain produces a hormone called dopamine, which is also called a feel-good hormone. Why? Because it stimulates your brain and makes you feel good. That is why you enjoy social media rather than work. But since your source of dopamine production is social media, you don't enjoy the work you do. Although you know that working a bit little or studying a bit daily will reward you in the future, in the long term, but your brain doesn't accept that. This is an extreme example of delayed gratification. But what is delayed gratification? Let me explain. Delayed gratification is the process in which you resist the temporary temptations for small things such as social media or the cake in this instance. But you aim for something longer. In short, you're dreaming for something big but in long term. Let's talk scientifically. In 1960s, a professor known as Walter Mischel started to conduct some tests on psychological research. One of those experiments was the marshmallow test. The experiment began by bringing each child into a private room and placing a marshmallow in front of them. Now the children were told that you were allowed to eat the marshmallow right now, or they could have waited for 15 minutes and get another marshmallow. Many children ate the marshmallow in the first go, but some resisted their temptation and aimed for larger. They waited for 15 minutes and got another marshmallow. What does this test prove? Let me complete. Later, the researchers followed them for 40 years, and it was observed that the ones who patiently waited for 15 minutes were more capable in whatever they are measuring. In other words, this experiment had proved that the ones who opt for the delayed gratification were more successful in life. Now, what can you do? Isn't it true that success is just of many sacrifices? Success comes with a cost. What can you do? Sacrifice that one gaming hour. Sacrifice that extra time that you spend here and there doing nothing on your phone. And use that time productively towards something big, something large. Dream big, do big, and earn big. So that was today's video. Hope you liked it. If you did, please hit that like button and hit that subscribe icon. The links for all my social media handles will be down below. Hope you check them out. Bye.